That I'm hating this brush right now. Come on, why are you not taking anything?
You better know who you are. You better know who you are. As you come this life alone, now so you go leave this life alone.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you real quick how I style my hair, and I do this in different ways, but this is like the easiest way you could do it. Naturally, my hair is really dry and coily. So what you need is water, Vaseline, and the reason I use Vaseline is because, again, my hair is dry. No matter how much moisturizer or whatever, it just dries it up. It just sucks it up. Okay, so I use Vaseline, and you could actually only use Vaseline as well. I've done that sometimes. And I have Eco Gel. Now this Eco Gel, you have different colors, but this one says curl and wave, and I want my hair to be coily, so I'm gonna use that. And then for my edges, I'm gonna be using the Cream Nature argan oil from Morocco, perfect edges, extra hold. So first, this is just water, so I'm just gonna spray to make my hair moist. See, with the water still, it's not like moist the way I want it. Okay, you can put a little essential oil as well if you like a specific oil. Okay, so I think that's enough, and then I'll go with the Vaseline, and I'll just dry my hands real quick, and then just rub every part, especially the part with hair, obviously, but also you want to rub the part without hair. So you can see that my hair is already pretty coily. And then I'm gonna put a bit of this gel. Actually, I'm also gonna use a spray. I didn't show you guys, but I'll show you the spray and to tell you why I use it. So now just put the gel real quick, and like that. This is really weird doing without a mirror. Okay, so there is a sponge that is made for curls. It has holes on it. I do not have. I am going to purchase today. I forgot to purchase last time I was in the shop. So I kind of did my own, you know, sponge. Don't laugh. It looks like this. Okay, I made holes by myself, and I just need something to just make it a little more, you know, making my curls a little more defined. So I'm just gonna, you see that? Okay, I need a mirror. Okay, so I like my bit of coils like that, and then the top of the head, in case you're taller than me. Okay, so that, and then I'm just gonna brush the sides. You want to brush the sides down to make it look neat. Okay, last but not least, you want to take that beauty blender, makeup artist. You want to take that edge control and get a spoolie or like a toothbrush, because I have a toothbrush just for my hair, so it's like hairbrush. Okay, so we'll take the edge control and work with them edges. It's really easy for me when it comes to my edges because I do have enough baby hair, and and I naturally have coily hair, which can be a pain in the ass if you want them edges, because if your hair is naturally coily, you know, when you flat them out and you want your edges to be flat down, they decide not to stay. And I've used every kind of edge control. I use apple snot. Oh, sorry, elephant snot. No, it's not called elephant snot. What's it called? It's called Godzilla snot. And still, it won't stay unless I do what I'm about to do in a bit. Okay? So we have that. I'm hating this brush right now. Come on, why are you not taking anything? Okay. Okay. And just quickly brush the back. And last and least, because this depends on your hair, I guess, but this eco gel, and depends on which one, they seem to be white on your hair when it gets dried. So if you want to avoid that, the Vaseline helps as well, but you could also use any shine spray real quick. And this is going to remove any white looks, and it's going to give your hair shine. To be intact, then you want to tie it down, okay, and preferably with something with silk, so it doesn't take your product, you know, don't, you know, dry up your product. So now we're gonna go for brown smoky, I think. Let's see. Okay, so that is the look for today. So thank you guys for watching. Comment on this box. Thank you for tuning in. Please remember to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Enhanced by Bev. Follow me on Facebook, Enhanced by Bev. And also subscribe here, and I will love you for it. I still love you if you don't do it, because I still love you. But if you want me to love you more, support me. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.